Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning green energy layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the green energy layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really clean and modern. It has a nice color palette to it, and you get a lot of icons for free along with some background images, which really help elevate the look and feel of this layout pack and your future website. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here, you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, and you can combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the Green Energy layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the layouts that come with this layout pack. So you can join to download or click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack and decide for yourself which ones you want to use on your website. So once you decide to use the landing page, for instance, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. And over here you will have three options, so you can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And of course, we're going to browse through our layouts by clicking on the purple button over here. And here we have all of the different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the Green Energy layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts again. And then you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button which says Use this layout. And as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything and make it match with the kind of website that you want to go live with. So of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with each and every module, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to create the design that you want, make some changes here and there. So you can also use Divi's efficiency features to make a lot of changes in just a few clicks throughout the entire layout without having to repeat the same steps. So say for instance you want to change the font that's being used over here, you can open this module, go to the heading text settings, and over here we have the font that's being used, and you can right click and click on find and replace. And you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. And then make sure that you tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font, and click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout the entire layout, and you can basically do that for any kind of built-in option that you have for each and every design element on your page and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.